What about the glass shelf? Here we can use a shelf profile. We mount it with double-sided strip. In the case of glass, we mount 3 LED strips, shining up, down and towards the glass. When we use it for board shelf, we use only 2 LED strips, shining up and down. The profile preparation process is standard with one exception. Despite sticking 3 LED strips, we use only 2 covers. The glass shelf will be used as a third one. The main application of this profile is in open furniture, in which we want to display their interior. We will put the power supply through the body, remembering that the hole should not be bigger than the profile cross-section. As a result, we get perfectly lit drawer and space above and below the shelf. It is all illuminated by the lighting edge of the glass.